In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask in Figma. If you're new to using Figma or simply looking to refine your skills, this tutorial is just for you. Masking is a powerful feature that allows you to creatively control which parts of your design are visible, making it indispensable for designers looking to enhance their workflow. Let's get started. First, we'll navigate to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that's rapidly become a favorite among designers worldwide. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to head over to the main page and click on Log In. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll be taken to your Figma home screen. From the home screen, we'll jump right into the design environment. You can do this by clicking on Design. This will take you to your design files where you can create and edit your projects. It's essential to have all your assets organized here, so if you have an image you want to mask, make sure it's already uploaded and visible in your current design project. Next up, you'll need to select the image you're planning to mask. Click on it within your Figma canvas. Highlighting the image is crucial because it sets the stage for us to apply the mask, a critical step as the mask directly affects the selected image. Once the image is selected, we head to the top menu bar where you'll see an option labeled Actions. Click on this and it will unveil further options related to manipulating your selected elements. This Actions menu is versatile and gives you control over your design elements, including grouping, aligning, and of course masking. Now that you've opened the Actions menu, look for the Use as Mask option. Clicking this will immediately apply the mask to the selected image. This action will hide portions of the image based on the masking shape you've set above or within the image itself. Remember, masking is not just about hiding elements. It's about creatively guiding the viewer's focus to the part of the image that's most important, whether it's emphasizing a brand logo, a focal point in a photo, or creating intriguing cutout effects. And there you have it. We've successfully applied a mask to an image within Figma. Mastering this technique can greatly enhance the polish and professionalism of your design work. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. Feel free to experiment with different shapes and images to see what creative effects you can come up with. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your design journey. Happy designing!